What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7 here with a really quick update for the Toyan X-Power Sand Cruiser. Now, I originally didn't show this because I burnt my servos out for the actual mechanism there that locks the front and, well, just the front diff. Now, as you can see, it's normal, but I've put onto the channel here, channel 7. If I go like this, all the way over, it's now locked. Awesome. So simple little mod there, all the way back. Now it should be good as gold. There we go. So it's good. I like this setup where the rear is locked and the front you can choose because it's better turning radius if it's not locked at all times. So cool. The servos are really cool. I got them from Hobby Wing. There we go. And they are these guys. These little Turnigy ones here. Really good little servo. If I can find the link, I'll leave it in the description. But there's the part number 9392 MG90S, I believe. I think they're about 1.8 kilos, all metal gear, which is what I want. So I needed two servos. I needed one for there. Excuse me if this video is not as good quality. I'm filming off the iPad Pro, but it is what it is. And also one for the steering, the brake servo just there. So brake works, everything works as it should. So all the servos up. I've used 7 channels from my receiver here. So one channel left, I believe. Yep, just there for the lights, and that's for the body. So because the body does come with lights, so that is next. But just a real quick video. Just wanted to show you guys. Someone was mentioning in the comments about that. So it is all good. So all servos. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on this guy, so 6 servos. Pretty impressive. So yep, people are saying, oh, it's not as fast or not as this or that as a electric. Mate, I know I got about another 90 cars that are quicker and probably better to you know, crawl, but it's not about that. It's just about something different, having fun and not taking the hobby too seriously. So, and sharing with you this awesome kit. You know, I know a lot of people saying it's expensive. Yeah, it's expensive, but hey, I bought it with my own money. It's fun. You guys are getting entertained, and you know, you guys are loving the content. So next I will start the body, probably paint it white, my favorite color, roof black, some of the interior pieces black, and then yeah, we'll see how we go. So cheers guys, quick video. If you like the link, sorry, if you like this car, links are down below. If you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.